Oh, the older puppies hear me calling you. Yes, they do. You are some handsome puppies. Yes, you are. Let's see. Oh, come on, babies. Come on, puppies. Come on. Come on, puppies. These are some stocky, little, handsome yellows. Wow. Yes, you are, aren't you? Come on, puppies. Come on. Come on. It's getting dark out. You better hurry up. Yeah, we gotta go in pretty soon. I tell you what, you are some good-looking puppies. Come here, Peanuts. Hey! Hello, babies. This is a little darker red one, yeah. Oh boy. Bobby's litter of 7-week-olds, they leave tomorrow. And they heard me calling you guys and they want out. They want to come play. I'll have to get them out after I put you in, yeah. Come on with your buddies and play. Now there's a proud puppy. You guys, all 3 of you have this one, don't you? Here, let's see. There you go. That isn't what a duck sounds like. Supposedly that's a pheasant, isn't it? You've got the duck. Okay, I think I'm going to have to go get Bobby's litter out. I'm starting to really complain.